Welcome to Navasahyadri Group of Institutions, Pune, a distinguished hub of excellence in education and innovation, founded in the academic year 2010 by Navasahyadri Education Society. Committed to delivering quality education, our technical campus colleges and institutes are approved by AICTE PCI New Delhi and recognized by the Government of Maharashtra and DTE. We proudly affiliate with Savitribai Phule Pune University and MSBTE. Accreditations and rankings. Recognized for our commitment to quality education, Navasahyadri holds accreditation with an A grade from NAC and consistently ranks among the top 150 institutions by NIRF in 2017, 2018 and 2019. Vision and mission. Our vision is to empower students with holistic and professional capabilities for successful employment, inclusive of self-employment. This goal is achieved through a collaborative and field-based training system. Our mission is to offer education and training that develops competencies, preparing professionals for successful employment and life challenges with a focus on a student-centric education system.
नमस्कार, मी PN सुके आपले सर्वांचे स्वागत करतो. नवसह्याद्री शिक्षण संस्था 2010 साली सुरू करून दर्जेदार व गुणवत्तापूर्वक शिक्षण विद्यार्थी व विद्यार्थिनींसाठी देत असून व्यावसायिक व रोजगारभिमुख विद्यार्थ्यांना जास्तीत जास्त शिक्षण मिळावं हे संस्थेचं उद्दिष्ट ठेवलेलं आहे. आम्ही नवसह्याद्री ग्रुप ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूट विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी कटिबद्ध आहोत.
Overview of Navasahyadri Group of Institutions, Pune. 11 institutes offering holistic education in diverse fields. 500 plus dedicated employees committed to excellence. Vibrant community of 5,000 plus students. Campus fosters collaboration, creativity and a thirst for knowledge. 17,000 plus global alumni making an impact in various industries. Strong placement support with a record of 7,000 plus placements. 200 plus prominent recruiters. Academic offerings. Navasahyadri offers a diverse range of educational programs including engineering degree and diploma, pharmacy, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, management, MBA, MCA, junior college, IIT, JEE, NEET integrated course, senior college, BBA, BCA and BSc Computer Science, and the esteemed Gurukul School. Facilities at Navasahyadri. Our campus is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities including interactive classrooms, science labs, workshops, computer labs, engineering labs, libraries, on-campus hostels, cafeterias, dining halls, transportation services, security services, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Training and placement. Our training and placement cell focuses on professionalism, career guidance, and achieving a remarkable placement rate of 75.42%. With 45 recruitment drives conducted, our students secure positions in IT, product and core companies. Notable placements include 200 plus prominent recruiters with an impressive highest 25 lakhs per annum package and an average package range from 3 lakhs per annum to 6 lakhs per annum. Our commitment is evident through the success of our 17,000 plus alumni making their mark in various industries. As we continue to grow, our mission remains steadfast to offer education and training that develops competencies, preparing professionals for successful employment and life challenges.
Hello, I am Tejasvi Ravindra Shrimkar, student of third year pharmacy. Navasayadri Institute of Pharmacy is one of the best college in Pune to achieve your dreams. Navasayadri has well developed laboratories for the practical experiences. All the faculties are well qualified and dedicated for the personal and professional growth and overall development of the student. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sejal Nagesh Thakre from Department of Engineering of Navasayadri Group of Institutions. It is one of the best college for engineering in Pune because it have well educated and well qualified faculty members who are dedicated for giving their students the best personal and professional experience they can. It also has spacious library which consists of 23,905 books of all the courses. It also gives us well-equipped labs and workshop for the practical experience of the student. The institute also provides us with placement in various MNCs. The soft skill development program is also held here at our college. Thank you.
Together, let's shape a brighter future. Thank you for considering Navasahyadri Group of Institutions.